how to create SAT practice test with Magic School AI. In order to help you with SAT, you can head over right here to Magic Tools and click on the search. Search in here for SAT. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here a lot more search results. But if the search result is not working, you can just scroll right here until you can see the SAT reading questions custom. Click on this right here. And then from there, you should be able to see this. So you can actually put in here the number of questions you want for this case. Then insert the text you want to generate the SAT style question. So I have in here this article from Britannica. You can head over and then copy the text that we have on this particular article right here. And then once you have copied this, you can head over and then paste it right here on the text. Now click on this generate right here in order to generate SAT questions for this one. Now once you have clicked on generate, it will show you this ones right here. We have in here a multiple choice test from SAT practice test, which involves mitosis and cell division. So you can head over and then answer it at your convenience. And then you can also see in here the answer key from that particular questions that we have generated. Now you can also send some more if you want some follow-up questions or if you have some more time to do some practice tests. So that's how you create SAT practice tests with Magic School AI. Hope we helped.